You got to make something.
It's almost Harley's birthday. What do you think he needs to get?
I already know what he's gonna get.
What?
Okay, we'll see.
Yep. Kind of like a painting or something. Ooh, I like that first thing in the morning.
No, you don't. You're cute.
Aww. Are you bored? It's hot in here. I need to turn the air conditioner up.
Wait, let me get the shoes. Let me get my shoes.
Oh gosh.
Don't hiccup now.
No, that's because I look horrible.
No, you don't.
Oof. What are you doing? Have without makeup on.
You don't have to wear makeup.
Yeah. Whoa.
That's what it's really supposed to be.
My hair looks white.
No, it don't. Mine does.
On here?
Mine looks white. It looks like I'm an old man.
You're wearing a Western. I'm bored.
I know. Go back to the Western one real quick.
There's your glass over my head. Man, I look bad without makeup on.
You don't have to wear makeup.
Yeah. Now me and Bailey both have the hiccups. Come here. I guess they're contagious.
Oh, my nose.
Yeah, that was smart. Did they go away?
Oh, come on.
You're a little more quiet than mine.
Oh, that's a burp. Or is it bark?
Mine hurts.
This is mine.
Mine goes way deep.
Mine makes a big gloom in my chest.
It's like